Yeah, when we do the hike, so what they grow is lychee, corn, and rice, right?
Is the corn for animal feed or for human?
Yeah, no, both. Actually, because city also buy a lot from animals, pigs, and all these things. I heard they got good price. So we go down from here, according to the program, we go down to the host families is somewhere there, stop by. And then for the hiking, we can do two ways. Sometimes we pass through the field, and then we go that one, and then to the lychee, and then go back, and then come back to the beach. And then we come back. So it's about 45 to an hour hiking, right? And then the other way is sometimes we go to the beach first, and then we go up the other side of the village, we pass through the jungle, and then coming down to this way. So we can either do this way or the other way around.
Is this forest their land?
Yeah.
It's like, do they have access to this forest up here?
Most of these are from the village.
Yeah.
So they say that some grow lychee and I think the higher this right field is belong to me. I don't know if it's family.
Right.
They all take it.
Yeah.
They have a lot of little parts or something like that. So this is one of my old, I think not one. My favorite. And then we
Oh,
remember
yeah.
our date.
ถ่ายรูปให้เรา
ได้เลยครับมา
Yeah, but
อ๋ออาจารย์ก็มีหลายอย่างด้วยนะ
ไปจะได้มุมโอเค
little further, little further, little
Oh, you know
further.
why?
1 2
Easy pakchi.
เนี่ย
เนียวนอนเนียวตั้งด้วย
Ah.
Hello, that he got a GoPro version.
Wow.
So fancy.
Yeah, it's the best, one of the best village in northern Thailand.
That's amazing.
Yeah, the Korean village, yeah.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Up. Yeah, are they doing crafts up in the shops? They're not like houses necessarily.
No, this is also leaf though, because normally, when you're in the village, some people just want to give you your farm. So they live there.
Yeah.
The thing is, sometimes like,
One person, Kim has one of her partners in embroidery. She's fourth generation embroidery, and all the women are embroiderers. And when we were all doing embroidery together, and we're like, no, they're a collective, and they work out of their homes. And they'll be like making dinner, and then they have time they can do the embroidery. It's not like there's ever a place where they're all together, all embroidering and gossiping, and like where you can see the production of all these things. It's sort of like
Well, they do, but not on your schedule.
not on your schedule, right? Yeah, exactly.
all right, so let's go. Actually, we can walk down, but I would suggest to go with the car so we save little time. And then
Yeah.
we might stop by at the least.
Oh, that'd be
Yeah, these are.
ไม่เคยเนาะ
มันก็ไม่ทราบนะเนี่ย
Done it.
It's funny, all Burgundy area. You sometimes see it. So we just see
It's so similar.
but it tells you what's inside and then this panel.
Flower, huh?
What do you tell you? I think
You don't kind of see trees like here?
yeah.
All these trees.
Oh, is it white trees? I don't know. Where are they? Oh, the one that they grow?
Yeah, yeah.
It's orange.
Orange.
Yeah, orange
Small,
is
small
there.
orange.
Yeah, orange is there.
There's a bunch more coming in.
Chào bạn đâu.
อันนี้กินอะไร
Medicine.
What is it อันนี้เป็นไม้อะไรอ่ะ
เป็นสมุนไพรเป็นยาเป็นยา
สมุนไพร
มันมีหลายอย่างอ่ะมีหลายตัวแต่คนเขียนมีห้างรถรู้
Oh, those are yummy.
อันนี้ก็โค้ง
นี่เป็นอะไร
Potato?
นี่เหมือนกันไหม
อันนี้ไปกินดิบแดง
It's like potato or what?
Yeah